The best preservation recipes are often written out of necessity. If you have a strongly producing jalapeno plant, you're probably pumping out more peppers than you could ever use fresh. And I don't know about you, but I could eat pickled jalapenos one by one out of a jar for forever. But I know some other folks might have their limits on how many jalapenos they could eat in 1 year. So here's a recipe born out of necessity and written by one of our editors for how to use jalapenos in a fun, new creative way. In this issue of Mother Earth News magazine, we're making cowboy candy, or candied jalapenos. Now this recipe for cowboy candy is a quick pickle, so that means it does have to live in your fridge. If you're making a big batch of it, it's a great opportunity to pass some of your garden bounty out to your friends and family. Now, candied jalapenos, or cowboy candy, are said to have originated on a ranch in St. Augustine, Texas, in the 1920s. And it's possible you've seen it in farmers markets or on the shelves at the grocery store. But you yourself are perfectly capable of making this delicious and quick refrigerated pickle. All you need is 1.5 pounds of jalapenos, washed and sliced into 1/4-inch rings, 2 cups of honey, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. And of course, a couple of spices. We used a teaspoon each of ground cumin and coriander, and 4 cloves of garlic. To make cowboy candy, first combine the honey, brown sugar, and apple cider vinegar in a pot that's about twice as big as you think you need it to be. You'll thank us later in a few minutes when it starts boiling. Once the mixture starts to boil, reduce the heat and allow it to simmer until all of the sugar has dissolved. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add the jalapenos and spices if you're using them. Bring it all back to a boil, then reduce and cook for another 7 minutes. At this point, the peppers should look slightly shrunken and glossy. Now, we want to make sure to keep our jalapeno rings full, so at this point, scoop out the jalapenos and place them into your jars. This recipe will need 4-pint jars. Once you've rescued all your jalapeno rings, go ahead and continue cooking the liquid in the pot until it's reduced and syrupy. This will take about another 6 to 8 minutes. What you end up with is a nice, sweet and spicy syrup that's reminiscent of hot honey that you can pour over jalapeno slices in your jars. If you're using sterilized jars, these hot pickles should keep for about a month in your fridge. That is, if they last that long. You might find yourself standing over your fridge late at night, looking for a snack and thinking a couple of sweet and spicy jalapenos sound really good right now. If you're a little more of a responsible snacker, though, you'll probably try this jalapeno mixture on pizza or burgers, in a tuna salad, or tossed with some cucumbers, or, as the author suggests, chopped up in your deviled egg mixture. We hope you try this recipe and tell us what you put on it if you did. And until next time, don't forget to love your mother. This cowboy candy with brown sugar and hot honey recipe was written by Anna Well and published in the August-September 2026 issue of Mother Earth News magazine as part of an article called Saved, Sealed, and Stored. With expertise in food media and hospitality industry and farm-to-table cooking, Anna Well brings a written perspective that emphasizes the beauty of seasonal cooking and local eating. When she's not knee-deep in a plethora of heirloom beans, she enjoys playing Scrabble, reading cookbooks, and hiking.